Isa na namang Pilipinong boksingero ang umaangat sa mundo ng boxing matapos makuha ang isa sa mga pinakamalalaking upset wins sa Amerika. Ang tinutukoy natin, walang iba kundi ang tubong antipolo Rizal na si Gino Rodrigo na may 13 panalo, 11 dito via knockout. Kaya hindi na nakapagtataka kung bakit tinawag siyang The Silent Beast. Matapos ang 6 na sunod-sunod na knockout wins dito sa Pilipinas, marami na agad ang napahanga sa kanya. Lalo na nung pinabagsak niya ng 5 beses ang Indonesian champion na si Alvius Maufani sa isang laban kung saan marami ang nagsabing mas mabagsik pa ito kay John Riel Casimero. Dahil sa ganyang performance, nabigyan agad si Rodrigo ng malaking oportunidad sa Amerika. At nitong Marso 8, 2025, gulat ang lahat ng pabagsakin niya sa unang round ang undefeated Puerto Rican prospect na si Matthew Gonzalez. May dalang record na 15 panalo, 13 knockouts, walang talo, at sinasabing future world champion. At dahil sa pagkapanalo niyang yon, nagustuhan siya ng mga American boxing fans. Kaya naman ngayong Abril 20, 2025, muling lalaban si Rodrigo sa Amerika. Kontra sa isang Olympian na si Ruslan Abdullaev, may 48 panalo at 6 lang ang talo sa amateur bago naging pro boxer. Upang lalo tayong maliwanagan sa lakas ni Rodrigo, balikan natin kung paano pinabagsak ni Rodrigo ang Indonesian champ na si Maufani. At mapatunayan kung gaano kalakas itong tinaguriang Silent Beast. Ang laban ay ginanap sa JF Sports Complex, San Isidro, Nueva Ecija. Si Alvius Maufani ay hindi basta-basta. Isang batikang journeyman na nakalaban at nanalo na sa Japan, China at Vietnam. Kaya kampante siya na kaya niyang talunin si Rodrigo. Pero pagbungad pa lang ng unang round, sinalubong na agad ni Rodrigo ng mabilis na jabs ang Dayong Indo.
Ani yung naka-silver na trunks with black belt, hook jab by Gino.
Gino is trying to set up that left jab towards his power punches, partner.
A brief switching right there by Gino, trying to gauge his distance at this point. But you know, Gino Rodrigo, this is twist punches. Every punch is has mean intentions behind it.
The third man in the ring is Oliver Garcia. This is a 10-round affair, partner. Oh!
Hanggang sa isang malakidlat na left hook, bagsak agad si Maufani. Tumayo pa't lumaban pero muling tinamaan ng matitinding counter. Bagsak ulit si Maufani.
Late reaction, it always happens. You know, that punch that hits right at the temple. The power of Gino Rodrigo we're seeing on display here in the first minute of round 1.
I told you do not blink, partner.
Hindi na nga eh.
It was a left, if I'm not mistaken, given by Gino Rodrigo.
What I like about another
Mula sa malakas na suntok ni Rodrigo, bagsak ulit si Maufani, ngunit mapahanga ka rin sa tapang nito.
Unleash that shot straight again at the temple of Maufani that sent him down the canvas. A tough Maufani stands up for a second. The time, Gino staying patient, partner, no? Using the ring, moving side to side.
I think this is the first time that I seen Rodrigo trying to flick that jab constantly.
Yes, exactly, and also very economical with this movement. I like it. He knows this is a 10-round bout.
Yes.
He's not rushing things. He's mixing it up. Staying active, planting his feet, moving side to side, painting, trying to create an entertaining fight.
This is not the time to show no. With a good punch, pwedeng lakas tong batang to. Like that overhand.
That was rolled by Gino Rodrigo.
Yeah.
There you have it. End of the first round.
Sa ikalawang round, pilit bumabawi si Maufani pero hindi siya makalapit sa mga jabs at kaliwa ng Silent Beast.
Of Indonesia. Yes, partner.
He must take it seriously, partner. Boxing is so unpredictable. If you want to finish the bout, you finish it on your own terms, partner.
Yes, there you go. Gino Rodrigo. I like how he's leading with that jab, hook, jab. Trying to create an angle, trying to open up. Kasi
Yes.
si Maufani is very closely guarded. He has that high guard. Gino has to open it up. So he's creating some feints, creating an opportunity basically just to open up Maufani.
Nice.
Otherwise, hindi rin siya tatama eh.
Nice stiff jab by Gino.
Double upper by Gino. A counter left by Maufani.
He was connected. Maufani did connect with that counter right, partner. Like it said. If Maufani somehow drag this fight into a ragtag type of a fight, I think it is more advantageous to Maufani, partner.
Right now, he's still a little cautious. I think being down 2 times in round
Oh,
1.
down!
Okay, an overhand that landed a little bit behind the ear of Gino. Consecutive with a hook by Gino Rodrigo, and he is down.
But he did also connect on the counter right. Siguro mas malakas lang yung kay Rodrigo.
It was very short,
Yeah.
very quick, very, as I said, economical. There you go. Basically, Gino's trying to make Maufani engage. Otherwise, he's just gonna enter with that close guard, with that high guard. So there you have it. Good jabbing by Rodrigo. Maufani still stalking, not double, but a jab straight and an overhand. Gino rolled that punch.
I think Gino Rodrigo is trying to make Maufani commit mistake and probably hit him with a good counter punch. I think what he planned.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's hard. It's hard to hit someone that's super guarded. So basically, what Gino's doing is trying to open him up, trying to sa history ng mga tape.
Let's continue this round, partner.
Naku, Lonsdale, baka naman.
Oh!
Mula naman sa isang mabilis at malinis na kanan ng Pinoy, bagsak ulit sa Maufani sa pang-4 na pagkakataon. Ngunit naisalba pa ito ng bell.
And he's a little bit stunned, but he puts his...
End of round number 2.
Pagpasok ng ikatlong round, hindi pa rin tumigil si Rodrigo. Jabs kombinasyon, tuloy ang pressure.
Binulong ko kanina. Gino is very economical in moving. If you can see him, he's not flashy with his footwork, but when he comes in, he's very quick. Minsan hindi mo nakikita mag-counter siya. Ang bilis, ang lakas. He has that lethal combination of speed, hand speed, and power.
I never seen Gino this way, partner. He is a power puncher who usually go inside. But I think this is a new facet on his fighting career.
Yes. He's not rushing things. He's trying to give problems and then trying to make Maufani, sabi mo nga kanina, commit mistakes, capitalize on those mistakes. 1, 2, 3 by Maufani, but that was guarded by Gino. Upper hook, upper by Gino. Obviously, that hurt Maufani, but Maufani counters. I think that's enough, yes.
No more.
Hanggang sa isang matinding kombinasyon ang tuluyang nagpabagsak kay Maufani sa ikalimang pagkakataon. at dito na pinigil ng referee ang laban. Panalo si Rodrigo sa pamamagitan ng ikatlong round knockout. Isa na namang bagong Pinoy boxing prospect na dapat nating bantayan. Mas malakas pa raw kay Casimero. Sa tingin nyo mga tol, pwede na kaya itong maging world champion? I-comment nyo ang opinion nyo sa baba at suportahan natin si Rodrigo sa laban niya kontra Abdullaev ngayong Abril 20 sa Amerika. Salamat sa suporta at huwag kalimutang i-like, share para sa mas maraming Pinoy boxing highlights.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.